Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do gender swap filter on TikTok. So if you have been on TikTok and seen any gender swap video and now you want to make a video like that, I will show you how to exactly do that. So you need a face app in your cell phone, and after opening that face app, you have to choose your photo from gallery, and after selecting that, you have to swipe your screen from left to right like that. In below you can see here is a gender option. You have to click on that. Now you have to choose female 1 or female 2 for your photo. Now you have to click on that save option. So after clicking the link in description, you will be redirected to that page, and now you have to click on that use template in Capcut option. Then again click on that use template. Here you have to choose the photo you have just edited, and now you have to select the photo of yours. Now you have to click on that preview option. So as you can see, we have successfully make a gender swap video. Now you have to save it to device, and now you can just upload it on your TikTok. So that's all. If you guys find that video helpful, do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any confusion or any question, you can drop a comment and I will try to help you in my next video.